I kept this in the fridge for 12 hours. Now see, oh, it's cracked. Both are broken. Oh yeah. Shit, it's broken. You can see the crack. Oh shit, can't remove. Start. Oh. After 12 hours, let's try to open this. Oh shit. Look at this, man. देखो. I can still open. Ah. Oh. Shit. You can see some texture difference. See, turning into ice on this part, and the yellow part is here, but it's damn hard. It's damn hard. Look at this. This is a bit softer, and it's like an ice, man. Oh shit. Let me heat it up. Let's see what happens. I'm heating the eggs now. Oh no. Shit. It's going everywhere. Oh. The white part is more like an ice. Look at this. Look at this. It's more like an ice on the white part. So let me put some salt. It's not melting. Ah. इसको क्या हो गया? What's wrong with this guy? Okay, I'm gonna eat this. Let me eat this piece for taste. Let's see how it goes, okay? Now let me eat this. It's still cold, man. It's still cold. It's normal. Normal taste. No difference. You can try. It's nice. No difference.